Hello friends, in this video we will see the concept of pipes and cisterns. Okay, so cistern, first we will see the definition of cistern. Cistern is something which holds the liquid, okay, which holds the liquid. So this is the cistern which holds the liquid, okay. So the cistern can also be sometimes called as tank or reservoir, okay, reservoir. Okay, cistern is something which holds the liquid. Okay, sometimes cistern can also be referred as a tank or reservoir. So now let's take the pipes. Pipes are two types in pipes and cistern concept. So that is, one is inlet and other one is outlet. So inlet is a pipe which is connected to the cistern that fills the cistern. Okay, so outlet is something which connected to the cistern and that empties the cistern. Okay, so inlet is connected to the cistern which fills. So this one is filling, that means filling the liquid into the cistern, and outlet is something which is connected to the cistern that empties. Okay, that empties, that means inlet is the inputting and outlet is outputting the liquid from the cistern. Okay, so I hope you got this one. Let's see. So for example, if a pipe can fill a tank in X hours, okay, if a pipe, I mean that inlet, can fill a tank in X hours, then the part filled in 1 hour is equivalent to 1 by X. Okay, so if a pipe fills the tank in X hours, then the part filled in 1 hour is 1 by X. Okay, for example, if a pipe empties a tank in y hours, okay, y hours, then part emptied part emptied in 1 hour is given by 1 by y. Okay, so 1 by y. So if a pipe fills a tank in X hours, then the part filled in 1 hour is 1 by X. So if you multiply this one with X after X hours, so it will get 1. So the 1 represents the complete fill of the tank. So empty, if a pipe empties a tank in Y hours, then the part emptied in 1 hour is equal to 1 by Y. So if you multiply this one with Y, you will get 1. So that means it is after Y hours, it is empty 100% of the tank. For example, if a pipe can fill in X hours, fills in X hours, and another pipe can empty the same tank in Y hours. Okay, if a pipe can take X hours to fill the same tank and Y hours, another pipe takes Y hours to empty the same tank. Okay, if both pipes are open, 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 if X is faster than Y, that means the first pipe is faster than Y. So that means the X is less than Y. Okay, that is X is less than Y. Then the part filled in 1 hour is given by resultant. Okay, so the X is faster, so that is going to be 1 by X minus 1 by Y. Okay, 1 by X minus 1 by Y. Obviously X is fast, that means it is going to be take less time to fill the tank. Okay, so Y is taking Y hours which is greater than X hours, so that means X is less than Y. So that means then the part filled in 1 hour is given by 1 by X minus 1 by Y. For example, if Y is emptying faster than X, so that means Y takes less hours, I mean the pipe which is taking Y hours is less than X. So in that case, then the part emptied in 1 hour is given by 1 hour is given by, so 1 by y minus 1 by x. Okay, so if a pipe fills a tank in x hours, so another pipe empties the tank in y hours. Okay, if both pipes are open, okay, so the filling pipe is faster than the emptying pipe, then the part filled in 1 hour is given by 1 by x minus 1 by y. Okay, so if the emptying pipe is faster than filling pipe, then the part emptied in 1 hour is given by 1 by y minus 1 by x. So I hope you got this one. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.